Alrighty, well, here we go. Time to pick the Big Weener. I wish all of you wunderbar luck. And honestly, I kind of expected it would be more. I gotta be honest, I'm a little disappointed, heartbroken, if you will, but that's fine for you guys. Because 60 people, you got a hell of a good chance. So, here we go. Number of wieners, just one wiener. Unless you're out of the circus. And away we go, you guys. I wish you all the best of luck. I can't express how much I appreciate each and every one of y'all, but only one can win. Thank you so much, Black Langster. That's awesome. You have, I'll give you a week, let's say. How about let's do this? 7 days, get in touch with me, dadmodswaches@gmail.com. You get in touch with me, and I will cover the shipping to wherever you are. And you and your girlfriend love watching me? That's awesome. Hey, thanks so much, you guys. I love you both for that. Can't tell you how appreciative I am, and especially a woman. Everybody paying attention? Here's a woman watching and liking the stuff. Y'all get your girls involved. I know it'll cost you extra money, but you won't get as much grief if they're involved in the hobby too. Anyhow, thanks, you guys. I appreciate you. Love y'all. I will be giving away more in the future. So if you didn't win this time, don't let it go to your head. Maybe you win the next time. There will be more. I got to get that. Cheers, everybody.